In this video, we're going to talk about using the invisible element in Labvanced. This element is kind of uncommon, but it's actually super useful, so hopefully this video helps you implement it a bit more. It's located in the Shapes icon on the toolbar, and it's just an invisible box when you first put it on the frame, but it's got some very interesting properties. So you can rename it to however you like. Visibility, obviously it's already invisible, so it doesn't quite matter. What's important here is if it's active. So if I select false, this means that this element is not responsive to events that happen on the frame, but this element is super useful if you set it to true, because we can do different cool events with this. You can do all of the normal object properties here, position and size. Different colors, obviously it's invisible, so don't recommend changing that. You can change the mouse interaction, so you can make this selectable, draggable, resizable, but it is invisible, so remember that participants probably don't know it's there. It's interesting because you don't think this would be useful, but let me show you a task where it is. In this task, I'm presenting a picture of a flower. I actually have two trials here, two different flowers, and the question I'm asking participants is click on the top petal. So they have to click on the top petal of the flower. Usually, if you have an image and you make it clickable, if I click anywhere on this image, the event will occur. But I placed my invisible element on the top petal of each of the flowers, which means the events that I've set up are only going to occur when they click on the top petal, not the entire image. And the events I've set is to record reaction time. I'm also going to add another action, which is going to jump to the next trial. And I can click save. So let's do a test run of this here. Starting my experiment. Okay, so here's my flower. My invisible element is here. Clicking on other parts of the flower or the frame doesn't do anything, but clicking on the top petal does. And the same for this picture. Clicking on the top petal is what makes the experiment work. So hopefully this helps in looking at the invisible element in a more useful way, and thank you for watching.